Magandang buhay! Andito na naman ang Tita Techie nyo para mag-discuss sa inyo ng isang protection plan ng AI8 Philippines which is very affordable. Pitted na pitted po or swak na swak sa budget. So, bago po kayo sa aking channel at sa tingin nyo makakatulong ito para sa inyo at para sa inyong mga kakilala, relatives, or friends, please like, share, and subscribe. So, pag-usapan po natin ang term insurance. Ano nga ba ang term insurance? Ito po ay para sa mga gustong magkaroon ng life insurance as a start-up pero very limited ang budget. Bakit ba siya mura lang? Kasi ang offer niya ay purely protection, walang cash or fund value pero pwedeng makapag-provide ng maximum protection sa mababang premium lamang. Inuulit ko po, basic protection lamang binibigay ni term insurance. And paalala lamang din po, term insurance ay tumataas po ang premium every year base po sa age and other considerations. So, ang life insurance na tinutukoy ko po ay Guardian 1. So, annually renewable term or ART. Annually nire-renew siya at magpo-provide siya ng death benefit equal to the face amount if the insured dies within the policy year. So, it is best for short-term life insurance need or ito din po yung kinukuha ng mga breadwinner na very limited lamang yung budget pero gustong magkaroon ng coverage or protection. So, ano ba ang Guardian ay ino-offer namin for between the age of 80 to 79 years old and the coverage is until 85 years old. What are the key benefits? You will get guaranteed life insurance protection equal to the face amount of your policy. You can choose an appropriate payment schedule that's convenient and flexible for your budget. You can convert your plan to another type of life insurance coverage within a certain period of time without presenting proof of insurability. In this case po, pag kinonvert niyo po yun sa another life insurance coverage, di nyo na po kailangang mag-present ng proof of insurability or mag-submit ng health statement condition. Pwede ka ding mag-attach ng accident, waiver of premium, and hospitalization rider for additional coverage. So, the core benefits, ulitin ko po, guaranteed life insurance equal to the base amount. May increasing coverage din po siya as long as nire-renew nyo po yung inyong plan, pwede nyo po increase yung coverage. And meron din siyang convertible to permanent plan. Pwede nyo po siyang i-convert up to the age of 79, but the premium to be based on the age of conversion. Meron din po siyang supplementary benefit or rider, accidental and health rider, accidental death rider, and the Medigard. Pag-usapan po natin isa-isa. Ano ba yung accident and health rider? Ito po ay nagpo-provide ng comprehensive accident coverage upon accidental death or disability with option to provide weekly income benefit in case of temporary disability and or medical reimbursement of actual accident-related expense up to a maximum amount. So, nagpo-provide din po siya ng additional cash span for the insured in case of accident-related injury so he can focus in getting better. As said, meron po siyang medical reimbursement which is optional. You can reimburse actual expenses up to the specified amount selected provided the treatment begins within 30 days from date of accident. Meron din po siyang weekly income benefit which is also optional. Pay weekly income benefit up to a maximum of 26 weeks in case of temporary disability within 90 days from the date of accident. So the minimum per week is 250 while the maximum is 2,000 per week. So this medical reimbursement and weekly income benefit, which are all optional, will be discussed to you in details by your life plan. So next is the accidental death benefit. You will receive a 200% of the base amount if death occurs due to an accident and that occurs within 180 days from date of accident. So this is an additional cash fund for the beneficiary in case of accidental death for added protection. Say for example, si insured kumuha po siya ng base amount ng 1 million at the age of 30. So from the age of 30 to the age of 40, patuloy niya po yung nire-renew yung kanyang Guardian 1. So at the age of 40, si insured dies due to an accident within 180 days from the date of accident. So in this case, ang death benefit po na mapupunta sa beneficiary is 2 million. So 200% of the base amount. Ang base amount po is 1 million. Since namatay siya due to an accident, ang makukuha po is 200% or 2 million. Right? Ang accidental death benefit po, ang termination age niya is 72. So, ang minimum coverage is 500,000 and the maximum coverage is 20 million subject underwriting guidelines. So, let's have an example. Sample premium per female at a standard risk without rider. So, we will have 500,000 coverage, 1 million and 2 million, and the premium is annual premium kasi nga Guardian 1. Assuming at age 25, ang kinuha niya for 500,000, ang premium is 2,250. Rather, 2,290. And for 1 million, 3,260. And for 2 million, 5,770. Assuming the issue age is 35, premium for 500,000 is 2,400. For 1 million, 3,550. And for 2 million, 6,610. For 45 issue age, for 500,000 coverage, annual premium is 3,325, and for 1 million, 5,800, and for 2 million, 11,350. For 55 years old, for 500,000 coverage, annual premium is 6,175. For 1 million, 10,910. And for 2 million, 23,150. For 65 years old, for 500,000 coverage, 13,400 annual premium. For 1 million, 25,280. And for 2 million, 55,030. For 70 years old, 500,000 coverage, the annual premium is 25,60. For 1 million, 39,150. And for 2 million, 77,550. For 75 years old, minimum of 500,000. Annual premium is 32,510. For 1 million, 63,570. And for 2 million, 125,390. So, ito po yung mga sample premium for female at standard risk. Wala po siyang rider. So, basic life insurance lang. Ito po yung mga issue age natin. So, ito po yung mga premium. Right? Now, let us go naman doon sa kinuha is guardian. One din, pero nag-add siya ng mga riders. So, ito po yung actual proposal. Ang protection po na kinuha niya is 1 million for 1 year renewable without evidence of insurability until age 85. Convertible to any premium plan within the year. So, nag-add po siya ng additional coverage na A&H, MR, weekly income, hospital income benefit, and accidental death benefit. So, as you can see, ang kinuha niya pong coverage is 1 million. Pero sa accidental, ginawa niya pong 3 million. Meron siyang medical reimbursement na 100,000. Meron din siyang weekly income na 2 million. And accidental death, ginawa niya ding 3 million. So, ang daily hospital income niya is 1.5. Long-term hospitalization is 1.5. And then the intensive care unit is 3,000. So, ang annual premium niya po with this benefit of 4 million and others, 20,688.80. Diba po? Napakababa lamang ng premium, very affordable, at ang coverage mo ay budgeted. So, ito lamang po yung madidiscuss ko sa inyo. And paki-like lang po, paki-share, and paki-subscribe. And if gusto nyo po ng proposal or interested kayo sa plan na, let me know or approach any life planner of AIA. Thank you po and God bless everyone.